In this question, we are going to analyze the color of a flower pot, on which is made up of a metal sheet, and on which a thin transparent film of thickness 3000 angstroms and refractive index 1.5 is deposited. And we have to assume that there is a normal incidence of light, and also that the film is parallel. So we are asked what is the color of the flower pot of the sheet when it is observed in normal white light. Alright. So let's first say that there's this sheet which is made up of refractive index 1.5, and whose thickness is given to us as T, which is the thickness is 3000 angstroms. Also, when light is incident normally, so light will get reflected from both the surfaces, that is this surface as well as this surface. So, due to the reflection between these two surfaces, we can find out what is the path difference in these two reflected waves, and thus we can calculate what is the intensity, for which wavelength is the intensity maximum. Now, this it is given that the thickness of this is T, which is 3000 angstrom. Alright, so let's see if these two waves interfere, then the path difference in reflected light is given by delta x, which delta x will be the path difference which is from this wavelength and this wave. So this delta x should be equal to, if this thickness is t and the refractive index is mu, this should be equal to 2 mu t minus lambda by 2. Right. So this is delta x, which is which is equal to 2 mu t minus lambda by 2. And since we want strong reflection here, that is the intensity should be maximum. So this should be equal to some n times lambda for maximum intensity. So we can see from here that 2 mu t equal to 2n plus 1 into lambda by 2. Thus, from here we get lambda equal to 4 mu t upon 2n plus 1. Now, using the values that are given to us, 4 into mu is given to us as 1.5 into thickness is 3000 angstroms, that is 3 into 10 to the power minus 7 meters upon 2n plus 1, which comes out to be 18 into 10 to the power minus 7 upon 2n plus 1. Now, depending upon the values of n, the value of lambda will change. So, we'll say for n equal to 1, 2, oh sorry, we can start with 0 as well. For n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, we get the values of lambda as, for n equal to 0, if we take n equal to 0, then we get the value of lambda as 18,000 angstroms. If we take n equal to 1, then we get the value of lambda as 6,000 angstroms. If we take n equal to 2, then we get it as 3600 angstroms, and so on. Now we want the interference for normal white light. We need it for white light, so we need to find out the wavelengths which are in the range of white light. So this 3600 angstroms and 18,000 angstroms are not in the range of white light, but only this is in the range of white light. So we can say that for this wavelength, the intensity will be maximum. So we can say the color of the flower pot will be corresponding to the light of wavelength equal to 6000 angstroms.